Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday, the 15th. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. And today we have another, I do believe, Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And you guys could get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. This is, not sure what this is. It's coming from... Alrighty, I'll open this up. See what this is all about. There's the box. Boom, mystery item. And let's see what's inside. Oh, here we go. Oh no, just my name on it. Alright. What do we have here? Okay. What's this? Oh, made it. Check this one out. Oh, this is coming from my good friends over at Aomais. Portable wireless speaker. Oh boy. Take a look. Sound review will be on my Instagram page if you guys want to hear what these sound like. Click below. Whoa. It's like speakers for like a rock concert, the guitars and stuff. It's a really cool design. Bluetooth and everything. Got the sides right there if you guys could see. Got these guys. USB charge. Should be easy to do. Oh yeah. You can see the speakers right there. Looks pretty good. It's very lightweight. Definitely curious how they're going to sound. And we got the USB. We got those audio jacks. And we got the USB hookup. And I do believe we got another one. DJ Kali. But here we go. These would be great for the gym, the man cave, bathroom. You name it. These are really good speakers. Especially for the price. So you can't beat them. Can't really complain about them either. Good company on Amazon. Check them out. They got many other different types of speakers, but links are going to be down below. Ouch. I got a little bit destroyed. Oh, damage. We got side by side. Look at that. A little bit. I think it should be alright. Here we go. Here's the second. Ooh. They look pretty good still. And there's the bottom, top. There's what it looks like on these two. Cool, cool, cool. So check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, link's going to be down below where you can purchase one of these speakers. And that's about it for today. YouTubers, be safe, have a good day, and hopefully see you guys back tomorrow.